Have you ever wondered what items you might need for survival that you haven't considered yet? Let's take a detour from the usual staples of survival gear and delve into a unique preparedness wish list. This isn't your average run-of-the-mill list of bare necessities. We're talking about top-notch, reliable, and highly beneficial items that can turn the tide in an emergency situation. These items aren't necessarily the cheapest on the market. Some might require you to dig a little deeper into your pockets, but rest assured they're worth every penny. Think of these as investments towards securing your safety and peace of mind. The vast world of preparedness offers a plethora of choices, but the items we're about to delve into, they're real game changers. They won't just simplify your life in emergencies, they're also practical for everyday use. Whether you're a seasoned prepper or just getting your feet wet, get ready to significantly enhance your survival toolkit. These items may not be on everyone's radar, but they could make all the difference when you need them most. First on our list are two excellent sources of heat: the Mr. Buddy heater and the Iwatani butane stove. Let's start with the Mr. Buddy heater. This portable radiant heater is a real game changer. It's safe for indoor use, making it perfect for those chilly nights when you're off the grid. It's equipped with an auto shut-off feature for low oxygen levels and accidental tip-overs, so you can have peace of mind while using it. But what sets Mr. Buddy heater apart is its incredible efficiency. With a capacity to heat up to 200 square feet, it's an ideal companion for your winter camping trips or power outages during cold seasons. Now let's move on to the Iwatani butane stove. This might look like your typical portable stove, but let me tell you, it's much more. The Iwatani butane stove offers a high power output, providing you with a stable and reliable heat source for cooking. It's easy to use, lightweight, and compact, making it perfect for outdoor adventures or emergency situations. And the best part? It's designed with a built-in windbreaker, ensuring that even in the gustiest conditions, your flame stays lit. So why are these two items a must-have? Well, in any survival situation, having a reliable and efficient heat source is crucial. It's not just about comfort, it's about survival. Hypothermia is a real risk if you're exposed to cold for prolonged periods. Both the Mr. Buddy heater and the Iwatani butane stove provide you with the means to keep warm and cook food, two fundamental needs in any crisis situation. But it's not just their practicality in emergencies that makes them stand out. They're also perfect for recreational use. Whether you're camping, fishing, or just enjoying a night under the stars, these items can significantly enhance your experience. Either of these heating solutions can make a significant difference in comfort and survival during a crisis. So don't overlook the importance of a reliable heat source when planning your preparedness kit. After all, it's better to have it and not need it than need it and not have it. Next up, we have two powerhouse generators, the Predator generator inverter and the Gas 1 butane stove. We'll start with the Predator generator inverter. This isn't your typical generator. It's sleek, compact, and most importantly, reliable. The Predator generator inverter is a portable powerhouse that can provide up to 2,000 continuous watts of clean power. It's perfect for running appliances during power outages or powering your essential devices during camping trips or outdoor adventures. The generator is also fuel efficient and quiet. It's so silent you won't even realize it's running. One of the best parts? It's designed to automatically adjust its engine speed to save fuel and reduce noise. Now, what about the Gas 1 butane stove? This is a versatile and portable option that deserves a spot in your survival kit. It's a single-burner stove that runs on butane gas, which is readily available and easy to store. This makes it an excellent choice for those who need a reliable power source on the go. The Gas 1 butane stove is also designed with safety in mind. It has an automatic shut-off feature should the gas pressure become too high. This stove is not only perfect for cooking meals during power outages, but is also great for camping, tailgating, or any other outdoor activities. These generators are more than just power sources. They offer flexibility, allowing you to adapt to various situations. Whether you're dealing with a power outage at home or setting up camp in the wilderness, these generators can provide the power you need. Remember, in the world of preparedness, it's not just about having the right tools. It's about having versatile tools that can perform multiple functions, and both the Predator generator inverter and the Gas 1 butane stove fit this bill perfectly. They're not just generators, they're investments in your safety, comfort, and peace of mind. These generators can provide the much-needed power during emergencies, making them a worthy investment. Water purification and food preservation are critical in survival situations. That's why the SUBSCRIBE reverse osmosis water filter and the Harvest Right freeze dryer are on our list. Let's start with the SUBSCRIBE reverse osmosis water filter. Imagine having a constant supply of clean, filtered water, free from harmful substances, right at your fingertips. This isn't just about survival, it's about ensuring the best health for you and your family. The SUBSCRIBE filter uses a 4-stage process to remove up to 99% of over 1,000 contaminants. It's compact, easy to install, and can deliver up to 75 gallons of purified water per day. Talk about convenience and efficiency. Now let's move on to the Harvest Right freeze dryer. This isn't your ordinary food dehydrator. The Harvest Right freeze dryer, my friends, takes food preservation to another level. It allows you to freeze dry your food at home, preserving its nutritional value and extending its shelf life exponentially. It's perfect for storing fruits, vegetables, meats, dairy products, and even full meals. It's like having your grocery store at home, ready to serve you whenever you need it. Think about it. With the Harvest Right freeze dryer, you can prepare and store healthy, nutritious meals that will last for years. You can even rehydrate these meals with the purified water from your SUBSCRIBE filter. That's a win-win situation, isn't it? But it's not just about having food and water during emergencies. These items can also improve your everyday life. They can save you money on bottled water and reduce your food waste. Plus, they're eco-friendly. Using the SUBSCRIBE filter and Harvest Right freeze dryer, you're not just preparing for emergencies, you're also contributing to a more sustainable planet. So if you're looking for reliable and practical ways to ensure clean water and preserved food, look no further. The SUBSCRIBE reverse osmosis water filter and the Harvest Right freeze dryer should be on your wish list. Access to clean water and preserved food can significantly increase your survival chances during emergencies. Last but not least, we have the Bluetti Power Station, the OOP Power Station, and the Power Queen LIFEPO 4 battery. Starting with the Bluetti Power Station, this is a portable power station that packs a punch in terms of capacity. It's perfect for powering essential devices, and its compact size makes it a practical choice for on-the-go energy needs. It's not just about power, though. The Bluetti also boasts a robust build and advanced safety features, ensuring it's a reliable solution even in the most demanding situations. Next up is the OOP Power Station. What sets this apart from others is its versatility. It offers multiple output ports, allowing you to power a variety of devices simultaneously. This can be a lifesaver when you need to keep multiple devices up and running. Plus, it's solar rechargeable, providing a renewable energy solution that's perfect for long-term use. Finally, we have the Power Queen LIFEPO 4 battery. This is a deep cycle battery that's designed for longevity and efficiency. It can deliver consistent power over a long period, making it ideal for situations where reliable power is a must. The Power Queen also boasts a high discharge rate and a broad operating temperature range, making it a versatile power solution for various scenarios. All these power stations and batteries showcase impressive power capacity and durability, but what makes them truly stand out is their ability to provide reliable power in emergency situations. They can keep your essential devices running and your lights on during power outages, which can be critical in survival situations. Moreover, these items aren't just for emergencies. They are practical for everyday use, whether you're camping, working in a remote location, or simply need a reliable power source for your devices. So, while they may not be the most inexpensive items on the market, their value in terms of convenience, reliability, and peace of mind is immeasurable. Consider them an investment in your safety and preparedness. These power solutions can keep your devices running and your lights on during power outages, making them a crucial part of your survival toolkit. So there you have it, 11 items that you'll wish you had for preparedness. We've covered everything from heat sources like the Mr. Buddy heater and Iwatani butane stove to power generators such as the Predator generator inverter. We've also highlighted the importance of food and water preservation with products like the SUBSCRIBE reverse osmosis water filter and the Harvest Right freeze dryer. And let's not forget the invaluable power stations and batteries like the Bluetti Power Station, and the Renogy LifePo 4. Each of these items holds immense value in a survival toolkit. These aren't your everyday emergency supplies, they're game changers, designed to make your life easier during emergencies and practical for everyday use. So consider adding these to your wish list. They may not be on everyone's radar, but in a time of need, they could make all the difference. Remember, preparedness is not about predicting the future, it's about being ready for it. Stay safe, everyone.